Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Jakia Sultana from Tajul Islam Adarsh College, Brahmanbaria. Today I am going to take a class on some interesting grammatical rules, and this class is for class 11 and 12. I told this class is very interesting because this grammatical rule is at the same time important for some grammatical topics, such as this is important for right forms of verb, phrase word, changing sentence and completing sentence. Our today's topic is so that. So let's discuss the topic from my handout. Okay. So that, or in order that. The Bengali meaning of this phrase is jate. We can make complex sentence using these kinds of conjunction or phrase word. Behold the example. The students study diligently so that, or in order that, they can secure scholarship. The students study diligently so that they can secure scholarship. In this sentence, there is a clause in the first part, and then I use the conjunction so that, or in order that, and then there is another clause, that is they can secure scholarship. So when we use so that, we can make a sentence, complex sentence, and in any complex sentence there are two clauses, the first clause and the second clause, and between the in the middle of the two clause there is an conjunction. Okay, so it is a complex sentence. Well, the second example. The president spoke so that the audience could hear him. The president spoke. This is a clause, then so that, then the another clause. The audience could hear him. It's also a complex sentence. It's also a complex sentence. Now, let's analyze the sentence. In the first sentence, the students study diligently. Here, the verb is study. It's a verb of present indefinite tense. So, what will be the verb of the second clause? We use the verb in the second clause, can secure. That means we use an modal auxiliary in front of the verb, and that modal auxiliary is can. We can use also might, may. Okay. So if we make any sentence using so that or in order that, we have to use can or may in front of the verb of the second clause. Okay. That means the students study diligently so that, or in order that, they can secure scholarship. We must use this can or may before the verb of the second clause. Okay, this is the rule. If we use so that, we have to use can or may in front of the second verb of the second clause. And if the verb is present, the first verb is in present indefinite tense, then the second modal auxiliary will be can or may. But if the verb of the first clause is past indefinite, what will be the model auxiliary of the second clause. The president spoke so that the audience could hear him. We use here could, not can. We also use might, but not may. So, if the verb is past indefinite, we will use could or might in front of the second verb of the second clause. Okay, and this is the structure. If you want to make any sentence using so that, you have to write two clause and so that or in order that in middle of the sentence, and then you can use the subordinate clause, and in this subordinate clause you have to use can or may or could or might before the verb of the second clause. Okay, now how we can use this in right forms of verb? Look at this. The man walks fast so that he catch the bird. Catch the bird. In this sentence, we see that there is a word so that. So, we have to use the structure of the so that. That means we have to use can or may in front of the verb of the bracket, or could or might. That will be according to the first verb. The first verb is present indefinite, so we can use can or may before the verb of the bracket. We can use can or may before the verb, and I have used can or may or catch. Okay. Now look at the second example. The man walked fast so that he catch the bus. In this sentence, the first verb is past indefinite, so we use could or might before the verb of the bracket. So the answer will be could or might catch. And you know, after the model auxiliary, we have to use always the base form of the verb. So this will be unchanged. This will be unchanged. Okay. Now, how we will use it in completing sentence? Look at the example. The boy goes to bed so that. The boy goes to bed so that. And the second part will be completed by you according to the context. The boy goes to bed so that I write he can sleep. I write he can sleep can because the first verb is present indefinite tense, and there is a phrase so that, so I am writing the second clause according to the structure. The structure will be subject, then can or may, then base form of a verb. Okay. Now the second example of completing sentence. The boy went to bed in order that. The meaning of in order that and so that is same. Okay. The boy went to bed. Here the verb is past indefinite tense. So we will use another clause to complete the sentence using could or might. Okay, because this is past indefinite tense. I write he could or might sleep. Okay. This phrase can be used for phrase word also. Okay. If we use in phrase word, there are two clauses in the text, in the question, and we have to use the phrase according to the clause. And if we see that there is a clause which is in which the first verb is present indefinite and the second verb is verb is using can or may or could or might, then the present indefinite tense, then we will use so that in the as a phrase word. Okay, the first one is present indefinite, sentence of present indefinite tense, and the second clause is also a verb in present indefinite tense, but by using modal auxiliary can or may, that then we will use so that. Okay, and at the same way, if the if there is two structures and the first one is if there is two clauses and the first clause is in past indefinite tense and the second clause is also in past indefinite tense, but by using could or might, we will use so that as phrase word. Okay, they went to market so that they could buy various things. Now let's go using how we can use in changing sentence. We can also use this structure to transform from simple sentence to complex sentence. If there is any simple sentence that is constructed by using infinitive, like he studied hard to pass the examination. To pass, this is an infinitive, and these kinds of simple sentence by using infinitive can be made complex by using the structure of so that. Like he studied hard so that he could pass in the examination. He could pass in the examination. He studied hard so that he could pass in the examination. And that's all today. I am coming soon without with some other rules. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Okay.